So welcome everybody to the Young Driver Challenge. This is the final. So you guys have been selected from everybody this year as some of our top drivers. Now we've brought together, I think there's about 18 of our young groups. So we've got two groups, 10 to 13 and 14 to 16. We've got entries literally from all across the UK. We've got someone from Northern Ireland. Are you here with us this morning or this afternoon? Hello, how are you?
Wish that everybody could have the opportunity that you have had and that you will have today. I think it is phenomenally important for people to learn skills when they're younger, and if you can get to grips with how a car behaves and the controls of a car as young as you are, then it will absolutely stand you in great stead.
But all the research that we see says it makes you a much safer driver, and we've got stats now that show that there's a 40% reduction in accidents when you've had this early driver training, which is one of the highest accident reduction statistics in the world.